Hello, everyone. Welcome back to day three of our Stoic philosophy series. In day one, we learned the meaning of Stoicism and the powerful idea of focusing on what we can control. In day two, we learned about the history of Stoicism, how it started in ancient Greece and later spread to Rome. Today, we will meet three famous Stoic philosophers whose ideas still help people today. We will learn about their life stories, their struggles, their powerful lessons, how their ideas apply to our daily life. Remember, Stoicism is not only about reading philosophy, it is about learning from real people and their experiences. So let us begin. Today, we will learn about three important Stoic teachers: Epictetus, Seneca, Marcus Aurelius. Each of these men lived in different situations. One was a slave, one was a rich advisor, and one was an emperor. But all of them practiced Stoicism. This shows us something important and very powerful. Stoicism can help anyone. Stoicism can help anyone, no matter their position in life. Let us begin with Epictetus. Epictetus was born into slavery. He did not have freedom, he did not have power, his life was full of hardship. But even in difficult conditions, he believed something important. You may control my body, but you cannot control my mind. Instead of feeling angry or hopeless, Epictetus chose to learn. He studied philosophy and trained his mind. Later, he became free. After gaining freedom, he started teaching Stoicism to others. His main lesson was simple: focus on your response, not your situation. Example: if someone insults you, you cannot control their words, but you can control your reaction, your thoughts, your behavior, and that is true freedom. Now, let us talk about Seneca. Seneca lived a very different life from Epictetus. He was rich, educated, and powerful. He worked as an advisor to Roman leaders. But even with wealth and power, his life was not peaceful. He faced political danger and pressure. He also struggled with anger and stress. So, he used Stoicism to guide his life. Seneca wrote many letters and books about managing anger, staying calm, living simply, not depending too much on wealth. He believed something very important: money does not give peace, mindset gives peace. Example: you may have money but still feel stress, or you may have little money but feel calm and satisfied. Peace depends on your thinking, not your possessions. Now let us learn about Marcus Aurelius. Marcus Aurelius was one of the most powerful men in the world. He ruled the Roman Empire. His responsibilities were very heavy. He had to lead armies, solve conflicts, make important decisions, protect his people. Even with so much power, he remained humble. He practiced Stoicism every day. He wrote his thoughts in a personal notebook called Meditations. This book was never meant to be published. It was written to remind himself: stay calm, be fair, accept problems, do your duty. Marcus Aurelius believed a strong leader must first control their own mind. Example, if a leader becomes angry quickly, people suffer. But if a leader stays calm, people feel safe. This is Stoic leadership. Now, let us think about what we can learn from these three philosophers. From Epictetus, we learn freedom begins in the mind. Even if life is difficult, we can control our attitude. From Seneca, we learn peace does not come from money, it comes from wisdom. Simple living can bring happiness. From Marcus Aurelius, we learn power requires self control. A strong person controls emotions, not people. These lessons are still very useful today. Students can use Stoicism during exams. Professionals can use Stoicism during interviews. Anyone can use Stoicism during difficult times. Now, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself, which philosopher inspired you the most? Was it Epictetus, who became strong despite slavery? Seneca, who managed stress and pressure? Marcus Aurelius, who stayed calm while leading an empire? Think about their strength. Their stories shows us your situation does not define your strength. Your mindset does. Now there is a homework for you. Which Stoic philosopher inspired you the most? And why did their story inspire you? And also one lesson from their life that you want to follow. Today, we learned about three powerful Stoic philosophers: Epictetus, who showed mental strength during hardship; Seneca, who taught emotional control; Marcus Aurelius, who practiced Stoicism as a leader. Their lives were different, but their message was the same: control your mind and you control your life. So, tomorrow, in day 4, we will learn about the four Stoic virtues, the four important qualities that guide Stoic living. These virtues will help you understand how Stoics make decisions and live wisely. So keep practicing calm thinking, keep strengthening your mind. I will see you in day 4. Now, let's go through the vocabulary. The first word is philosopher. Second, hardship. Third, freedom. Fourth, advisor. Fifth, possession. Sixth, responsibility. Seventh, humble. Eighth, leadership. Ninth, mindset. 10th, duty. That's all for today. I will see you tomorrow in the next podcast. Till then, bye bye and take care.